Though again, this is part 2, and usually when I do a landscape and the land, I have a tendency to tilt, but this time I'm going to swipe. And since I have a shovel of paint and a need to cover some things, I'm going to go back and forth and see if I can make this work. I'm going to put a little more gold in there. I think what I really want to do is have a full shovel full. That's, yeah, I want a shovel full. So there's the emerald green, and I want some of this dark Arteza phthalo green. And I definitely want a bunch of purple, because when it comes to shadows, purple is the gig. And anything else I want, I can add after. But for right now, I'm nervous. Now if I want to add something else to this, I still have plenty of paint in my shovel. I'm even going to pick up what's in my scrape dish without that lump. So what I need is some of the black Aussie Floetrol, and fortunately for me the top is open, although a little gummy. And I'm going to grab whatever it takes, which in this case is my large round oval. And I'll take what's left of that smear that doesn't have the Floetrol in it anymore and snake it back around, because that seems to be something that's going to work. And I want even more purple than I've got. And I have purple. Oh wow, I just remembered. I have some purple cell activator. I don't think that's going to hurt a thing. I need my scrape dish though. I used it as a shovel rest. I also want to try some of the white, which I actually have some of. I didn't clear that tip. That was dumb. It's not entirely beyond the realm of possibility that I will be adding some more colors in here. And clearing that tip, if I can, fairly quickly. Sometimes they'll just pull right out. This time I think I'm just going to pour some right into my dish. It's time to make some more anyway. There, I got my lump out. I left turquoise paint inside the lid. Alright, so I've got this purple. There's probably still a little bit of white left on there. I'm going to try a smaller one or a different one of the white. Kind of a big canvas to be trying an experiment on, but oh well. I've got a curious nature. And more green. Have I got more green? Yes, I do. Didn't mean to drip it. I'm just nervous right now. Still learning how to use my little tools all the time. More and better ways. And I don't mind if I get some strange... The stranger the marks, the cooler the composition seems to be a lot of times. And I don't seem to mind any of that. But I am going to put some more green in. And I want something different, like the Prussian blue. I need something else in here. I'm going to use some of the deco art and some of the folk art. One is metallic, one is color shifting. They're both emerald green. I need something else. I need definitely to fill up my shovel, so I'm trying to think on the fly. I'm looking for the copper, and I've hidden it on myself temporarily. And where would you put... There it is. Copper. Deco art metallic copper. And some more of the Artist Loft amethyst. Alright, time to get out the big guns. I need something that's really going to cover some area. That's not a bad start. Definitely think I could just add some color in here. Since I love dioxazine purple and I haven't really put any in there, and that's what the other cell activator was made of, I'm going to use that. And yay for me, I cleaned out the top of that white cell activator. Oh, there really isn't enough to do what I want to do in there. But the little tools do flip around, so I can actually scavenge what I need fairly adeptly. Do I need one more line in between? I kind of think I do. Just gonna do it. And since I don't have the purple I want, I'll use the purple I have. I am looking for a color. Where's the... Oh, yeah. Let's put some of that in there. Probably could have used a whole lot more solid colors and I would have been just as well off, but this is an unusual size canvas for me. I definitely want some blue in there, some more Prussian blue, because it imitates shadows very nicely. Usually I have trouble keeping the white. In this case, I'd like to get rid of it. But it's kind of cool. I'm pretty okay with this. As nervous as I sound, and I probably do. I could have kept some black. And I've got just enough paint so that if I go along very carefully, I can probably cover my bottom edge. Maybe my side is more important than my bottom. But I have paint in my shovel and paint in my scrape dish and colors I can use. So for now, outside of me thinking that there should be a silver moon in there somewhere, and torching is a good idea. Got all kinds of stuff going on in here that I like. I don't mind the little bits and pieces of black showing through. Although I gotta say, I want some more black down here. So why not just use it? Here's my little tool to push some paint up. I don't hate it. I did something similar. That's still on standby. Maybe I was just waiting for this. Alright, I've got paint dripping down, which is a good thing, but it's time for me to get on with it. I'll tell you guys, there's probably at some point going to be a part 3, but I want to wait. I'm trying to put a moon in my... a moon and probably some moonlights on the trees. I'm thinking silver, but I'm not sure. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. If we're lucky, we also release some patterns. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, getting ready to fix her edges once you are gone. Trying not to tip the painting too badly or get fingerprints on some black part. Like the sky's gonna have stars in it, definitely, but it's a long process, so you're probably not going to see that, and it's going to be done with either spattering from a toothbrush or it's going to be done with the bamboo skewers really slowly and methodically until I get it the way I want. I might also pull a few little, let me see if that works. Let's grab some paint. Yeah, I think I'm going to pull a few spears of grass up along the edges. Not necessarily upside down, but I don't dislike it. So I'll probably do a few more of those. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I think I mentioned Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Legallerist, my Facebook groups, my website are all on the link tree, which is the first blue link under the video, unless it has tools listed. Excuse me. Acetate and bamboo skewer tools. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and you can contact me through my email address for lessons, or if you're interested in purchasing an artwork, make a note of the hashtag and the file number in the video title. My paint pouring recipe, as I may have mentioned already, is underneath Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find a whole bunch of description that covers how I mix my paint. If you like what I do, please share it. Please watch it longer. Please watch it when the notifications come out, and watching the commercials helps me too. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your kind words and morale-boosting comments that keep me painting and inspired for you. There is a monthly drawing. I mentioned it at the end of part 1. It's on the end screen video. It's the exhibition video, and it will show you the prizes for the monthly drawing. Please use the PayPal icon or the link in the link tree. The icon's in the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you make a donation, you'll automatically receive a notification that you are entered in that monthly drawing. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Out. I love you. See you anon. Bye for now.